one we have a large variety of books. This one's my favourite because it teaches you about space. Here we have a selection of factual books. This is my favourite because it teaches us about the sky. These are books for younger readers. Over here we have a selection of books by many famous authors, such as Oliver Jeffers and David Williams. Here we have a selection of Little People Big Dreams books. This one is my favourite as she is a gymnast and I would like to become a gymnast too.
And it's not just our school library with a great range of books. Every classroom has its own library too.
I picked this book from my school library because it is funny and I like the part where he takes his shoes off at school because they were squeaky and he slips over. It's really funny, I like it. I take this book from the Year 5 library and I like it because it's like an inspiration for the solar system. It's about a person called Ben.